and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower ahead of the Federal Reserve meeting outcome scheduled later in the day. Bitcoin dropped below $26,000 support levels. IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 0.4% at 36,500 points. Meanwhile, the Bureau of Labor Statistics announced that the CPI had risen 4%, better than the projected 4.1% and then April's 4.9%. After the much-awaited CPI number that met expectations, investors are now hoping to see the US Central Bank suspend its more than year-long campaign of interest rate hikes. The Fed will also release updated economic projections and a new dot plot alongside the usual policy statement and post-meeting press conference with Fed Chairman Jerome Powell. The dot plot is a summary of forecasts from Fed policymakers as to where they think interest rates will be in the coming years. In an interesting news, the US federal judge rejected the SEC's demand of freezing the exchange's funds and other assets on the Binance US trading platform. Going forward, Crypto.com, a Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange, is about to shut down its institutional exchange facilities in the US. The exchange has recently made this announcement due to SEC's ongoing lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase. The global cryptocurrency market traded around 0.4% to $1.06 trillion in the past 24 hours, while the trading volume increased by 6% to $30 billion. Interestingly, Tron unveiled its new mission, vision, and values at its annual internal conference last week. According to founder Justin Sun, Tron's new goal is to create a free port in the Metaverse in order to realize its vision of enabling economic inclusion for all 8 billion people on Earth. Sound.xyz, a music NFT platform, has added support for the Ethereum Layer 2 token Optimism, rounding out the watershed moment with a tribute to Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum co-founder, honoring him with a Eurodisco dance track titled V Buterin. One of the largest decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, Uniswap, has recently unveiled plans for Uniswap V4, which seeks to increase the protocol's capacity for coin swapping, introducing a new type of smart contract called hooks and custom liquidity pools. US stock futures traded higher as investors looked ahead to the Federal Reserve's policy decision. S&P 500 futures climbed 0.16%, Nasdaq 100 futures rose by 0.2%, while futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost 45 points, or about 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $25,948, down 0.8%. According to data from blockchain intelligence firm Sentiment, the supply of BTC on exchanges has fallen to its lowest level since February 2018. However, the firm attributed this decline in exchange supply due to recent regulatory concerns and the latest SEC's lawsuits. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.3%, trading at $1,745. Solana SOL was down 1.8% and was trading at $15.2. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.4% to trade at $0.27. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, down by 4.7%. However, BNB was up by 5.1% to trade at $248. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $11.8, higher 0.8%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 1.1% to trade at $0.65. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.1% at $0.061. Shiba Inu was trading up by 1%. Polkadot was up by 0.4% to trade at $4.6. Now let's move on to our analyst for his technical views on virtual currencies.
If you see in the 6-hour graph or in a day graph, it's a falling wedge which is forming on Bitcoin. Clearly, after that resistance around Bitcoin at around 30,000, it has not gone up and it broke from that resistance, right? Clearly, I previously also said that the market is forming, is trying to retest at this particular trend line, right? Horizontal trend line. If we also see that, we can clearly see that previously I told you it's a formation of head and shoulder which is happening, a head and shoulder pattern which has already formed. Probably this will try to test. It has not touched this particular resistance or the support line as of now. This is a support line, so these are not touched yet, and so we can clearly see there is a chance that it might come to 27 24,720 approximately to 25,000 range, right? From this range to this range. Clear cut, if it breaks below 23,750, we might see Bitcoin going to a little lower as well, right? Price is going down, but the dominance is going upside, right? Clearly, we can also see that, it has broken this particular resistance as well, right? This resistance, which is here, has been broken. Long-term resistance since last year, we can see that the market, Bitcoin was dominance was ranging till this in between this range only, right? If you see all these zones, we would have seen that this is a support and horizontal resistance as well. We can see the market has always been around this trend. If we take a range resistance, we can clearly see this region it has always been there. It has broken now and it is going up, right? Price is going down, this is going up, clearly indicating that alts might dip, drop and all, and which we have already seen it. Matic was clearly, I expected that Matic would fall around 74, but it has broken that resistance as well. So the support, and it has gone down till 50 cents as well. Now it is ranging nearly around 60 to 64 cents, and clearly possibilities are there. This might touch around the 74, which was support. It might become a resistance, probably until and unless now Matic crosses around, let's say, above 98 cents. We may not see that it is going in a bullish zone. So clearly there can be one more drop. We might see a little further down in Matic if Bitcoin is dropping, right? So it's possible double bottom might happen as well. Clearly 33 cents can be a zone also. We will have to wait where exactly BTC stops, right? And seeing Solana as well. Solana has gone down from it was ranging around $19 to $26, and all this range. It has dropped below this, and now it is trading at $15. So let's wait for this. Clearly today FOMC meeting update is also going to come. So let's wait for that update and try to understand what market will be volatile. Let's wait for that. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your views. That's all in Coin Monitor. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to 3.0 and for more updates, log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.
With 3.0 TV, stay connected with the world of blockchain.
Stay up to date with infinite world of NFTs.
Come explore and evolve with 3.0 TV in the Metaverse.
So many coins, so much volatility. 3.0 TV delivers the news that matters.